In today's challenge, we need to transform messy data into a clear, readable format. Imagine you have financial data, years, revenues, and costs, all stacked up in a way that makes analysis tricky. Our goal? To clean it up and calculate the yearly profit for each organization. Let's break it down step by step. Looking at our data, we can see that this classification column holds key categories: years, revenues, and costs. However, we can't just pivot this column directly, because the years would get summed up, which isn't what we want. So, before pivoting, we need to untangle this data. Why don't we create a conditional column that extracts the year values? If the classification column contains word year, then grab the last column value. And we assign it to a new column. Right now our year column is incomplete. It only appears once per section. To fix this, we will use fill down transformation, allowing every row to inherit the correct year. Now each revenue and cost entry is correctly labeled with its respective year. At this point, our data is looking better. But we still have those extra rows that only contained year values originally. They are no longer useful, so let's filter them out. Now we are in a great position to pivot. We select the classification column and use the pivot function. As the values column, we choose the last one. This spreads our data out, neatly organizing revenue and cost into separate columns. We are almost done. The final step is to calculate the yearly profit for each organization. To do this, we simply add a custom column and subtract the cost from the revenue. Boom! Now we have a clean table where each organization has its yearly revenue, cost, and profit all lined up perfectly. This structure is much more readable and ready to use for reporting. And now you know how to transform it. See ya!